So what is the answer now? Answer is 100. That is quotient is 107. What's the remainder? Remainder is 1. So we are writing here. Answer is 107. R is equal 1. This is the way. We can use the same way that we used previously to divide this one. I will remove this one now and I try to divide it by the previous way. That means 1392. You want to divide 1392. Let's see that. I will remove all this. Remove. Okay. Take it up and now I will try to build some fact about 13. What are the facts I know about 13? Let's see now. Remove this. Okay. Yeah, what are the facts I know about? 13 times 1 is 13. That's no. 13 times 10 is just add the 0 to the last. 13 and 0. 13 times 100 is just add 2 zeros to the last. 1, 3, 0, 0. That's now. Now I am going to use the repeated subtraction. I am writing the number. What's the number? 1392. You want to subtract? What is the biggest one you can remove from it? I can remove 1300. Yes, I can remove 1300. Removing. That means if you remove this one, that means you are removing 100 times. That means you are removing 100. 100 groups you are removing. You are removing 100 groups. You are removing 100 groups. What's the value after remove? 2 minus 0 is 2. It's coming 9. It's coming 0. That means it's coming 92. Okay, if I remove 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by, it's take time. So I am thinking, okay, what's the value for 13 times 5? 13 times 5, what will be the value? 5, 15, 1 is there, 5 plus 1 is 65. So I am taking 5, I am going to remove. That means you are removing 65. Remove 65 means this is 5. 5 is there. What is the value? After subtraction, this one is become 8, this one become 12, 2n minus 5 is 7. Here, 8 minus 6 is 2. 27. You know, 27. 13 times 2 is 26. That means you can remove, after you get into some points, you can do it very quickly. You can remove 26. 26 means 13 times 2. 13 times 2 is 26. 13 times 2 is 26. That means you can remove this 26 from here. That means you can remove 2 groups. How many groups you can make? 2 groups you can make. Yes. Remove it. What's the value is coming? 1. That's only one remaining. That's, can I divide 1 by 30? No, it's not possible. So, what is the answer? Because the answer same as here. If we add all these things, what do you get? 100, 105, 100, 107. 107. You got the answer 107 by using the same method. Here, by using 2 different methods. So here we are removing the group, repeated subtraction. Here we use the lone division method. Lone division method. That's the one way of doing this calculation. That's also very easy to do. Another method is called short division method. Let's see for small numbers how we can use the short division method to do these things. Okay, I will erase this page. I will get this page, and let's see another method that's called short division. There are different methods there to carry on the division problems. One is the short method, short division method. Let's see. I will take one small example. You want to divide 392 by 5. Lone division method I will do it here, but short division method, this is lone division. This is lone division. Here I will do short division. Here same one I am doing 392. You have to divide by 5. First you want to divide 3. Is it possible to divide? No. That means you want to go for the 39. 39 divided by 5. You are getting 5 table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 40. Can you get 40? No, I can't get 40. That means I can't get 8. That is coming with the 7. 7 times 5 is, first divide, multiply, subtract and take down and come to the front. 7 times 5 is 35. This is the long division method. I am doing it here. Subtraction, 9 minus 5 is 4. Is there any number to down? Yes, 2. 42 divided by is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. So it's coming only 8. 8 is 40. If you subtract, you will get 2. This is long division. But if you have more practice, if you have more knowledge about division, we are not writing all these things. We are just writing few things and we do the work very easily. Now I know that 3 is not possible to do. I am taking 39. 39 divided by 5. 39 divided by 5, you know, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. What is not possible? That is coming with the 7. 7 is 35. 35. Here you got 39. 39 minus 35. You have to do it with your brain. That means this part you are doing is using the brain. 35. Count forward until 39. 35, 36. You are ending with 35. Count forward with 35. 36, 37, 38, 39. How much you are getting? 4. You are getting 4. 4 is coming as the remainder. 4 is coming as the remainder. That means 4 is coming as the remainder. I am writing this 4 on top of this one. On top of this 9. That means there are something remaining from that, and that's writing from here. That's next number now is become 42. 42. Now you want to divide 42 by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. I can't go on 445. That's coming with 8 is 40. 40. 40. Here I got 42. Count forward from 40. 40. You are ending with 40. Count forward to 42. 40, 41, 42. That's coming with 2. That means here ending with 2. R is 2. That means 78 you got the answer and R is equal to. This R is coming from here. You got the same answer, 78. R is equal to 2. But here we wrote only few lines. That's called short division method. This method also was on your grade 5 books, as well as you have to practice this one. If you have more practice, you can do many questions very easily. Let's do one more question. I will solve this. I will keep this one. This time I am not going to do long division method. Just we are doing the short division method. Okay. Let's write one number. Let's write 59235 divide by 6. 6. Okay. We want to divide this number by 6. First, is it possible to divide 5 by 6? 5 divided by 6? No, it's not possible. So I want to go for the 59. 59. 59 divided by 6. I know 6 times 10 is 60. Yes, that's 60. It's come to my mind. 6 times 10 is 60. That means coming 9 only. 9 times 6 is 54. 54. That's coming with 9. 9 is coming. Is 54. I am counting from 54 to 59. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. That means you are getting 5 balance. 5 as the balance. I am writing this 5 on top of the 9. That means what's the next number? Next number is 52 now. Next number I'm writing here to make it easy for you. Next number is 52. Now 52 you want to divide by 6. What's the value for that one? 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 54. 48 is there. So which one we can take? Can you get 54? No. We can get only 48. That means 6 times what's coming? 6 times 8. 8 is coming. 8 is coming. It's coming to 48. 48. Here value is 52. 52. Count from 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That means you got 4 as the balance. 4 is coming to the. What's the next number now? 43. Next number is now, here you got 4. It's coming 3. Next number is 43. 43 divided by 6. What's we can take? 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 is coming. 7 is coming for the 42. I want to count till 43. 42, 43. 1 is there. It's coming 1. So what's the next number? Next number is 50. If you practice, you don't want to even write all those things. You can do it from your mind. Okay, you can do it from your mind. Next, 15 divided by 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12. I can't get 18. Just come in 2. 2 is for the 12. Count 12. Count forward from 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. That's coming 3. That's coming R is equal 3. Here it's coming 3 as the balance. So that means if you divide this one by 6, your answer is 9,872. That means 59,235. You can divide it by 6. Divide it by 6. Okay. Sometimes we are doing this one on this way. 5, 9, 2, 3, 5. You are dividing it by 6. Sometimes we are writing like this. We are doing the short division method by writing balance at here. 5, 52. It's coming 4, something like that. We are getting the answer. We are writing at top of that one. This is another one. We will do this one when we come to the factors. After learning the factors and something, I will explain some of these things. That's also coming under the fraction. After learning the fraction as the division as a fraction. At that time, we will learn that one. This method is called short division method. Why? We are not writing that much lines. We are getting the answer very easily with less number of steps. I am not writing more. I am just writing the less number of steps and getting the answer. That's called short division. Okay. Some other method is also there. For example, I will take something that is called removing factors. That's also very useful method. Sometimes we have to divide something with the big numbers. For example, I will take something like this. I will take a number 5, 3, 9, 2. This 5,392. You want to divide this number by 14. Of course, we can use the method that we used previously. That means you can make the 14 table. Here you can make the table. You can make the table here. 14 table, 14 times. It takes time. So times is also good. I am not saying that's a bad method. It's a good method, but it takes time. So we can use some other method. Instead of dividing 14, we can see the factors. How we can make 14. Otherwise, we can write down the total factors is 14. Using that one, we can write down another way. That means 14 I can write down as 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, that means you want to divide this number by 14. 14 is equal to 7 times 2. What I want to do now? Instead of dividing this 14, I use these factors to simplify this one. At here, we want to keep in mind from which number we want to start. From which number? That means if it is not divisible, this number by 2, if this number is not divisible by 2, you can't use this method. You can't use this method. Why? First number what we are using to start, that number should able to divide this number. That means this number should be a multiple of 2. That means this number should be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. If number should be divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 2? Of course. Why? It is ending with 2. It's the last digit. There are lot of rules for the divisibility. If we know these divisibility rules, it will very helpful you. Before you divide, you know whether it is divisible or not. So that is the most easiest way to understand whether it is, you will get a remainder or not. Here you are not get a remainder by dividing 2. So First of all, you want to divide this number by 2. That's the best way. First, I am going to divide it now. I am take this one away. I am going to divide. What I am going to divide now? 5392. I am dividing by 2. Why I am going to divide by 2? It is very easy to divide. Even using the short division method, I can divide it. I am not going to use the long division method now. 5 divided by 2, you are getting 2. It's getting 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 is coming to here. Next 13. 13 divided by 2 is it's getting 6. 6 is 12. 12, 13. Count forward. We are getting 1 as the balance. Next 19. 19 divided by 2 is we are getting 9 is 18. 18. From 18 we are counting forward. 19. That means 1 is getting for your balance. It's 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. That means if you divide this number by 2, if it is not familiar to you, you can use the long division. It doesn't matter. Long division you can use. But you have to practice the short division. It's very good method to save your time. And you can get the answers easier. That's the most important one using the short division. You get the answer now. This is the answer you got by dividing 2. By dividing 2, you got this answer. That means you divide this number by 2. You got the answer. This answer you want to divide by 7. Why? Previously I divide by 2. This one is completed. Now you want to divide it by 7. Now I want to divide it by 7. Even here I can use the short division method. Use it now. Short division method. Okay. Now 26 divided by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28. 20 is not possible. It's coming only 3. 3 is coming with the 21. From 21 count till 26. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We are getting 5. 5 as the balance. I am writing 5 here. Next number is 59. 59 divided by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 we are getting. So 7 times 9 is 63. 9 tables. 9 times 7 is coming 63. So can I get 63? No. It is 59. Can I get 56? Yes, can I get 56? Can I get 56? Yes, I can get. Why it is 59? What's the value? You are getting 8. 8 you are getting. 8 you are getting. Value is 56, 56, 57, 58, 59. What's the balance? You are getting 3 as the balance. 3 as the balance. 3 as the balance. Here you got 59, 56, 57, 58, 59. You got 3 as the balance. Now what is the next number? Next number is 36. 36. Next number is 36. Now you want to divide 36 by 7. 7 times how much is getting? 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. 35. 7 times 6 is 42. Can I get 442? Oh, no, this 36 is there. No, I can get only 7 times 5 is 35. 35. You want to count till 36. 36 means only 1. R is equal 1. Instead of making the 14 table or for the another method, this one is the one simple way, that's using the factors. You can divide this one in easily. There's also one more important way of dividing. This is called dividing by factors. Some other method is also there, that is called removing factors. I will come to that one when we talk about the factors, total factors, factor tree. After discussing that factor tree, we can do that one. I will show you some another way of doing something. I will come to this like this. I am thinking about a question something that can possible to make it. For example, I am thinking something like it. 395. Okay, you want to divide it by 50. I'm thinking something like this now. Something like this. I know that these two numbers are ending with 5. Ending with 5. That means to make this 15, I can use 5. Why? 3 times 5 is 50. This number is also ending with 5. That means this number is also a multiple of 5. That means this number is divisible by 5. This is by 5. So what is the other number that helps to build this number? That means if I divide this number by 5, you will get that number. You will get that number. What's that one? 39 divided by 5 is 7. 35. You are getting 4. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Let's see, here you are getting this 45. You are getting 0. That means this number I can write down as multiplication of this. That means 5 times 79 is equal to, 5 times that's equal to, okay, write down is equal to 395. Why? If you multiply these two, you are getting this answer. Why? Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That means 5 times 79 is equal to 395. This number, this 395, you want to divide by 50. Okay, I am writing it now in different way. I will take this down a little bit. You want to divide 395 by 15. By 15 instead of 395. Now I am writing something, this one. Instead of 395, I can write down 5 times 9, 79. 5 times 79. You want to divide this one by, instead of this division, we can use this is called fraction. Division as a fraction. We can write down that. 15 I can write down as 3 times 5. I can see that this is common factor. These are common for those. I can remove these. This method is called removing the factor. It is coming on the after grade 6. We learn grade 6, 7 when you come to that one. We are removing these factors. We are not dividing the big numbers by big numbers. We are simplifying it by removing factor. This is called removing factor. Factors. I remove the factors. That means I remove one. What's the remaining on? 79 divided by 3. So I can divide this 79 by 3 very easily using the normal division or long division, no short division. Anyway, you can use it. That means you can divide 79 by 3. I use the short division. 7 divided by 3, that's coming with the 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Count forward 6. 7, only 1 is there. That's 19. 19 divided by 3 is getting 6. Is 18. 18. Count from 18 to 19. That's coming 1. R is equal. That means this is the answer. That means if you divide, if you divide this one by 15, you are getting the answer as 26 and R equal 1. You are getting the answer is 26. Answer is 26 and R is equal 1. Here we got it. Here 26 and R equal 1. These are some methods. Some other methods also there. In future I will come with another video. I think you got more idea about the division. I think it will helpful you to do your school works as well as the to simplify your work when you go for the higher classes. Division is not the main part. If you want to know different ways to use, you can use your knowledge to save your time. So I feel this is my end of this video. Thank you for watching.